and I can tell you right now, every game matters. Like I said, we are previewing the two Soweto Giants, which is Orlando Pirates as well as Kaizer Chiefs. Orlando Pirates, they start with Pirates. Pirates is playing at home, the arena, the Orlando Amstel Arena, and they are facing Siwelele. I just want to see what is your take. Pirates won, during the week, but that game, it was down to the wire. Richards Bay gave Pirates, a run for their money, and I think a lot of people were starting to panic. We saw the fans how they were, towards the Pirates defense and some of the players. But this Pirates team, they will make it. It seems like they will make it work, no matter the circumstances, and they're the top of the log. So this is not a familiar spot, especially at this time of the season. We're playing game number 20, and there's 10 matches left. So I just want to ask you, what is your take on the game that they're going to be playing against Siwelele?